In this video, we are going to talk about some of the most popular keyword research tool that you can use in your next organic SEO project. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So in this video, we are going to talk about some of the most popular keyword research tools that you can use for your next organic SEO project. So the one that we will cover in this video are either free or they have free trial available so that you can do your keyword research in the trial itself. So let's start with number one, and that is Google Ads Keyword Planner. Yes, hardly anyone use that, but that can give you a pretty good idea to start with your organic SEO. And why not? We are trying to rank in Google search engine results, and who can give us better data than Google tools itself? It can easily help you get some keyword ideas, and then you can create your own form of long tail keywords out of it and then create your organic SEO around it. So for example, if we go in the discover new keywords, and maybe we can enter some sample keywords like, so let's go ahead and click on get results. So now we got a pretty good list of keywords here. It says wedding planner India, wedding planner Mumbai, the keywords that we have entered. And after that, we also have the best wedding planner in India or top wedding planners in India. And there are a lot of other keywords that are related to our wedding planner business. And in the next column, we can see the monthly searches. I know it's a pretty huge range, but still we get a pretty good idea of list of keywords for free. And don't get confused with this competition section. It says low and medium, or maybe you will see high in some keywords. So don't get confused with that. It is not about the competition for organic SEO. This competition column is for the ad bidding, because this is a keyword planner tool for paid ads. So whatever competition you see here is actually for those who want to bid on these keywords. So if you are planning only organic SEO using these keywords, then you don't have to worry about this competition level. Just go ahead and check out all these keywords and see how you can use these keywords to create your own form of long tail keywords. So go ahead and try to enter your keywords here and see how it works for you. Now in order to use this keyword tool, you might need to create an ad campaign. So you don't have to spend any money on that. Just create a campaign and just pause it, and then you will be able to use this keyword planner tool. You need to just go to in the tools, and here at the bottom you will find the keyword planner. So I personally feel that it's a pretty good tool that you can begin with. Number two in our list is Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. And as we have already covered this tool in our previous videos, you can easily enter your competitor website domain here and you will get the list of top performing organic keywords. And then you can use those keywords to create your own form of long tail keywords and then create SEO content around it. So this tool gives you a pretty good amount of keywords. So we have already covered this tool in our last video where we entered our competitor website and then downloaded the top performing organic keywords in form of a CSV file. So there are limitations that you can do in the free tool, but again, it's pretty good for you if you are just starting up and if you don't want to spend anything on the paid tools. Number three in our list is Keywords Everywhere. Now this tool is very interesting. It is in form of a browser extension, and whenever you search anything on Google Chrome or in Firefox, it will show you the data about that keyword, and it will also show you some related keywords around that keyword that you are searching. So let's say we want to search for wedding planners in India. Here on the right hand side, we see the Keyword Anywhere panel here. It shows the trend here. Below that, we have a very interesting section here. It shows related keywords. And after that, it shows people also search for. So it's a kind of a related keywords, or you have a separate section for long tail keywords as well. And you get all this data for free. And even if you go with their paid plans, they are pretty cheap. So next in our list is answerthepublic.com. And this is a very powerful tool for long tail keywords. So let's say we want to search for wedding planner. Let's click on search. And this is giving us 366 results for wedding planners. And it shows the keyword research in this kind of a weird diagram. And here you will find all the questions people are asking related to wedding planner. And this is a huge resource if you want to target long tail keywords, which is based on answering people's question. And the websites which can answer those questions do get ranked higher. So this tool is very powerful. And the list goes on and on. You can go ahead and scroll down and you will get a lot of questions. You will also get that in alphabetical order. So that's a huge resource of free keywords that you can get from this tool. Next in our list is actually a paid tool which is new in the market. But when you enter any keyword or any website detail here, you get a pretty good information from this as well. And it is very similar like the tools that we have seen in our previous videos like spyfood.com or similarweb.com. So this tool is very similar to that. You need to enter your competitor URL or keywords. So you can say that it's very similar to Ubersuggest and most of the other tools like Ahref or SEMrush. So all these tools work pretty much the same. You need to enter the keyword or the competitor URL and you will get all the details about it. So these are some of the tools that I use to do keyword research. Most of them are free or they have a free trial. So you can go ahead and start doing your keyword research using these tools. And for a beginner, if you don't want to spend anything on the paid tools, these tools can give you a very long list of keywords to begin with. So you can easily get a long list of keywords, create your own version of long tail keywords out of them, and then start implementing the content marketing around it. So if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos related to SEO for WordPress, make sure you watch our complete playlist. The link is in the I button above or the video description below. And if you want to learn more about WordPress in general, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.